Gotcha! Oh no, there's another one. Take this. Making toys. Hi guys, today we're gonna play this Lion Guard Playset. It comes with Kion. Alright, let's open it up. Cool, look how cool it looks. Look, it's Scar. Cool. That's cool. That's so cool. Put the monkey on the tree. You can swing this. So you put this here. Watch this. This can do that. This neck can attack. Ah, what a beautiful day. Hey, who's that? Let's find something to eat. Ooh, what's this? Ah, a crocodile. I better find another way. Oh no, I better activate my trap. Take this! Gotcha! Let's see if there's anyone else. Oh no! There's another one! Take this! Take that and don't ever come back again. Yes! Kyra's asleep. Oh no! What's that noise? Ah! What happened? Good job, Snake, but what happened? A hyena is trying to attack us. But good job, Snake, you attacked the hyena. I'm going back to sleep. Good night. Hey guys, are you here to visit me? Yeah, we're here to have a barbecue. Yeah, let's go have a barbecue. Come on! Here's the barbecue. Cool! Oh. That was a yummy barbecue. Let's go home now. Okay, goodbye. Bye-bye, thanks for watching. See you next time.